Ladies and gentlemen, if you need to claim ownership of a Facebook page, you're in the right place. I'm going to show you every step that you need to take. So the first thing we're going to do is jump into business.facebook.com, and over here on the left hand side you will actually see you can change your account or your business portfolio. Now right now I have Bob's Place and this is the portfolio that I'm using. What we want to do is go down here to settings. So within settings, you will have, if this is a new account, a setup guide, but if it's not a new account, it will look slightly different. Essentially, what you'll be looking for is add a page. So the add a page section, you can go and click on add, and here you can either search by name or ID for this page, or you can go and click on add. And what will happen is you'll have three options. You can add an existing page, all right? And this is when you need to manage a page in the same business portfolio as other Facebook pages for your Instagram accounts or either other business assets. Then you will also have the request shared access to a Facebook page, and then you can create a new page. What we want to look for is add an existing Facebook page. And here is where you will be requesting ownership. So you'll go ahead and you'll add this in over here. So let's add a Facebook page URL. It now says that this page is going to be claimed with the Instagram account. You're going to go and click on next. You will see over here it says these people have access to this page and they'll also be invited to this account over here. Let's go ahead and say next. And here you will have a request sent. So your request will be adding this page, which is in essence photography and videography, to your business portfolio, which is Bob's Place. All right, once you are done, you're going to go and just agree to the terms of service and then add page and Instagram. And what will happen is you will have a request sent to the owner of the page. So in this case, it'll be whatever email address is associated with this page, and then they will give you access to the page, and then you can then claim ownership of that page.